Hello everyone, today I am going to show you Kospet Tank T2 video. If you are a technology lover, then this video is for you. The Kospet Tank T2 is a good productivity smartwatch. All new design. The Kospet Tank T2 is a smartwatch that features an all-new design. It has a rugged and durable exterior, with a round metal case and a silicone strap that is comfortable to wear. That is suitable for outdoor activities and sports. MIL-STD Quality. The Kospet Tank T2 is designed to meet the MIL-810G standard, which is a military-grade durability certification. This means that the watch has been tested and certified to withstand a variety of extreme conditions, including extreme temperatures, shock, vibration, and humidity. Specifically, the Kospet Tank T2 has been tested to withstand temperatures ranging from 40°C to 70°C, as well as 95% humidity. It has also been tested to withstand shock and vibration, including being dropped from a height of 1.5 meters onto a concrete surface. AMOLED and Retina display. The Kospet Tank T2 features an AMOLED display with a resolution of 360x360 pixel. AMOLED active matrix organic light emitting diode technology provides vivid colors and deep blacks, making the display clear and easy to read in any lighting conditions. The AMOLED display on the Kospet Tank T2 is also energy efficient, which helps to extend the battery life of the watch, which is similar to the pixel density of many Retina displays. Always-on time display. The Kospet Tank T2 features an always-on display mode that shows the time and other important information even when the watch is in standby mode. This feature is useful for those who want to quickly glance at the time without having to press any buttons or lift their wrist. IP69K Dynamic Waterproof. The Kospet Tank T2 is still IP69 rated, which means it is dustproof and waterproof. It can withstand being submerged in water up to 1.5 meters deep for up to 30 minutes without any damage. The IP69 rating makes the Kospet Tank T2 suitable for everyday wear, as it can withstand exposure to water, rain, and sweat without any issues. This feature makes it a great option for those who enjoy outdoor activities, sports, or other water-based activities. Bluetooth calling with HIFI. The Kospet Tank T2 is a smartwatch that supports Bluetooth calling and has Hi-Fi capability. This means that you can use the watch to make and receive calls using a Bluetooth connection to your smartphone. And the watch also has high-fidelity sound output for music and other audio playback. Other water-based activities. 70 sports modes. The Kospet Tank T2 is a feature-packed smartwatch that offers a variety of fitness and sports-related features, including 70 different sports modes. These sports modes cover a wide range of activities, from running and cycling to swimming and yoga, and more. Overall, the Kospet Tank T2 is a comprehensive health and fitness tracking device that can help you monitor your health and fitness 24/7. By using the watch's various features and tracking your progress over time, you can take a proactive approach to your health and make positive changes to your lifestyle. Sleep just a dream. The watch also records your sleep duration and can provide you with a sleep score based on the quality of your sleep. This information is displayed in the Kospet app on your smartphone, allowing you to track your sleep patterns over time. Blood oxygen monitor. The watch also features a blood oxygen monitor that measures your blood oxygen saturation levels, which can provide insights into your respiratory health and overall fitness. Stress monitor. The watch features a stress monitoring feature that tracks your stress levels throughout the day, providing insights into your overall stress levels and helping you manage stress. Long battery life. Who are looking for a device that can last for extended periods without needing to be charged? The watch is powered by a large 1600 mAh battery, which can provide up to 7 days of battery life with typical usage and up to 30 days of standby time. This makes it an ideal choice for users who are looking for a smartwatch that they can rely on for continuous use, especially during activities like outdoor adventures, long hikes, and extended workouts.